Good morning. Today is Wednesday, April 15th, 2020. And I know April is the fourth month, 15 is the 15th day of the fourth month, and 20 is the year 2020. So today we should go to music. So I'm going to challenge you to do something musically. I know that Vinny is learning to play the guitar. And so today will be his third lesson. And I have asked him to video himself learning to play the guitar. So if you are doing something that is very musical, please video it and send it to me. I'd love to see what you're doing to participate in music. Now I have a question for you. I want you to think, what is the month that comes after the 10th month? What is the month that comes after the 10th month? I hope you counted, and when you counted, you said January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. November is the month that is after the 10th month. Good job. All right, let's be meteorologists. So go ahead and take a look at our weather chart. Remember, we said this is a tally chart, and that our tally chart shows how many days we've charted weather. So go ahead and take a look outside, and I want you to use your clues just like a meteorologist would do, and I want you to tell me what today's weather would be. Well, I see some clouds in the sky. I don't see as many shadows as I probably would if it was really sunny, so I'm going to say that today is a cloudy day. So I'm going to mark another cloudy day on my weather chart. And now I want you to take a look at my tally chart, and I want you to help me answer this question. How many days have we charted weather? Okay, I hope you counted 5, 10, 15, 16. We have charted weather 16 days since we've been off. Great job. Now, I want you to help me answer this question. How many more sunny days have we had than rainy days? Okay, think about what I said. How many more? Means minus. Very good. So I'm going to set up a subtraction problem. And now think back to what I said. How many more sunny days? So look at sunny. How many sunny days have we had? 6. We've had 6. Good job. And how many rainy days have we had? Look back at our chart. We've had 5. Okay, so what is 6 minus 5? Good job. You said 1. That's exactly right. We have had 1 more sunny day than rainy day. Okay, now let's take a look. We said today is Wednesday. So if today is Wednesday, what was yesterday? And if today is Wednesday, what will tomorrow be? Good job. Now, I want you to think. Listen to the words in this question. What was the day 2 days ago? Not date, but the day of the week. What was the day 2 days ago? So we're on Wednesday. We need to count 2 days. Monday. Good job. Okay, now let's take a look at how many days we have been in first grade together. So help me count. Here we go. 100, 110, 120, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138. Uh-oh, Miss Metz forgot some. 139. 140. We have been together for 140 days. And you're going to say, Miss Metz, there's a problem. I want you to tell me right now, what's the problem? Some of you are probably saying, that's not right. It is right, but we have learned you cannot have a 10 in the ones place. So that's the reason you're saying it's not right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to block all these 10s together. And then I'm going to make them into a 10 rod and move them over, which means they're no longer in my ones place. Where are they? They're in my tens place. Now let's count again. Are we ready? 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. We have been learning for 140 days. Now, I need your help. I need you to tell me, how can I write 140 in an addition sentence? Okay, so I'm going to take this and I'm going to look how many little bitty blocks are glued together. 100, good job. How many little bitty blocks are glued together here? 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 blocks, good job. How many blocks do we have over here? 0. We have a big fat goose egg, 0. So now I see my addition sentence, 100 plus 40 plus 0 equals 140. Great job. Now, how can I write that in digits, just numbers? If you remember, we're going to look up here. How many 100 blocks do we have? 1. Good. How many 10 rods? 4. Yep. And how many 1 blocks do we have? 0. So 140 looks like a 1, a 4, and a 0. Now, is 140 an odd number or an even number? Some of you are going to say, well, if yesterday it was odd, today it's even. That's a great way to think. But you also look at the ones place, and we know that 0 is an even number. Excellent job. Now, what I want us to do is let's take a look at our clock. Okay? We're going to take a look at our clock, and we are going to tell some time. So here is my first time for you. What time does my clock say? 8 o'clock. Very good. 8 o'clock. All right, now let's take a look at this time. What time does my clock say? Yep, we're looking at the hour hand and it's on the 10. Good job. 10. And then what time does my minute say? Not 3, but 15. Good. So 10, 15. Excellent job. Now remember yesterday I told you that today I was going to give you the amount and you have to tell me what coin it is. So I'd like to know which coin is worth 10 cents. A dime. Good job. Okay. Now which coin is worth 1 cent? A penny. Yes. Now how about this? Which one is worth 25 cents? A quarter. Very good. Now I'm going to give you a hard one. Which one is worth 50 cents? Oh, do you remember? We haven't talked about that since we've been at school. A $50. Good job. And which one is worth 5 cents? A nickel. Awesome job, guys.